Hi friends, good evening. Actually, we have 2 days holiday, and I was doing one research on very important stock. And you all know that in Tamil Nadu we had a election, and the result will be announced in the first week of May. So I was doing little research on Sun TV, how it looks, on the chart. I don't know who's going to win, whether it's going to be ADMK or DMK. Seriously, I don't know. But the stock says something, very clearly that who's going to win. Let's see whether the stock decides the fate of DMK. I'll go to the chart, and then it is just for education purpose, so don't take it seriously. But seriously, something is in it. So that's why I want to post this video. So I'll share the screen, and then we will talk very detail about Senti. Okay. So first, okay, this is okay. So this one is based on Ichimoku on a daily basis. It is very well below the cloud, and the lagging span also below the cloud. So, and today it broke 200-day SMA. But one thing in this stock is whenever it come and touch this 200-day SMA, sorry, not EMA, simple moving average. Whenever it comes and touch this SMA, it bounced. See from here, if you see from here, it bounced. Again, it came down all the way here. 2 days it closed below, SMA and then bounced. And last 3-4 days it is closing below 200-day SMA. Okay. So, and if you go and check on the weekly front, yes, there's a big cloud. Obviously, it was supposed to cut the low here, but somehow it missed, because normally whenever the cloud is very small, the price try to cut that level. But now there's a big cloud here, and the difference between this cloud is 448 to 404. So 40 rupees gap. Maybe the election result can take it very easily in case if any adverse news on DMK. But there is one support is lying around 447 level in this cloud here. Okay, this upper end of the cloud on a weekly basis. Yes, there is a support. And if you go and check on a monthly basis, it is very way below the cloud, and there is one support which baseline is giving as of now. And if you take the lagging span, it is above the cloud. This one is above the cloud. Once it cuts this normally it tries to cut whenever the cloud is very, very small. So there's a high possibility it can cut here. The stock, there's a fall of, I'll give you the targets later. So now based on monthly, it is sitting at the baseline. Okay. And today's close is 455. So based on Ichimoku, daily, monthly is very weak. Weekly, there is a small support at 447. Okay. So now next we will go and share this screen. This is Pitchfork analysis. Based on Pitchfork, yes, it is already below the median line, way below the median line, and it has closed below the lowest support level, this blue color line. So whenever it normally it closes below this level, it tries to come and touch this brown color line. It is somewhere around 394 level. Okay. So even here also it is way below the median line on Pitchfork. And if you go and see, one second, you go and check this one. This is very interesting. See, it formed head and shoulder pattern in June 2020. So it formed one head, one shoulder, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. Okay. So from here, the stock bounced because this was a target. If it is not able to cut the low of this line, then the target is the width of this head. So it easily went and achieved. Okay, it went and achieved by 15th Jan 2021. It went and achieved this target. So now I am going to remove this because it's already done. Now there is one more head and shoulder is forming here. So left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So now, and it is below 200-day SMA, this black color line, and this is a trend line which I've drawn. So now, in case if it breaks this 455 level, the high possibility that it will come and touch 315, which is here, which is the high, this height. You need to take it on the reverse side. In case if it takes the support, the high possibility is 592. It'll go and touch 592 level on the upper side. So it is at a very, very crucial stage, and we are nearing that election result. We don't know whether it's going. Last time, it took the support from the head and shoulder, right hand shoulder pattern, and then it went and hit the topmost highest target. But one thing is very interesting is these 3 dates are very, very important in Sun TV. Okay, the first date was 5th January 2021. Okay, and the 5th Jan high was 500 and the low was 487. So now it is trading below this level, number 1. Number 2, the second date was 31st March 2021. The high was 475 and the low was 460. So again, it is trading below that level. Third is on 19th April, there was an important date which has happened for Sun TV. The high was 469 and the low was 453. And today it closed at 455. Okay. So close below 453, it's a confirmed weakness. Once above 450, maybe you can take it 476. You can take a long call to touch this target. So thing is very interesting, but we will wait and watch. Based on this, I don't want to give any prediction. Based on this, if it cuts 453, I think ADMK we will. That's what it says. Let's hope for the best. I'm not predicting anything on the election result, but the stock says yes. It is mostly for ADMK. In case if it close below 453 till the result comes. Hope for the best. It was an interesting observation. That's why I posted. As I already told you that 26th Jan is a very, very 26th April was a very important trend change date. I'll be doing a video on Bank Nifty, because most of the stocks like Kotak Bank, ICICI, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, SBI, all are sitting at the exact support. So we don't know whether it's going to turn this side or it's going to come this side. We need to wait and watch. Let's hope for the best. I'll put the video most probably by tomorrow. Thanks a lot.